Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read the sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. Say all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all on the same page on this regard, that I'm providing very, very important, very, very crucial civil justice sign off for myself, and it's a multitasking is the wisdom. With that said, I'll quickly read through this civil justice, and this civil justice is all about Google credit card, Google debit card, Google gift card tax fraud crime. Here I want to provide a note. I'm not sure whether the Google has a credit card or debit card, but at least I'm aware that there is a Google gift card. So it all comes under the credit card, debit card family only, under that sub classifications only. So, but anyways, the bottom line is Google provided tax fraud crime. So that is a crime. So that's what I'm displaying in this session. So with that said, the first quarter of fiscal year 2021 is January 2021, February 2021, March 2021, deadliest crime. And it is, and one more thing, it is my understanding that Google wanted to get into that credit card. It was because of my education. One more time, I am absolutely positive on that, because I think even Apple came into the Apple credit card very recently, and that was also because of my education only. I'm positive on that. So that is why I'm sure that if Microsoft is not having its own credit card line of business product, I'm positive that Microsoft will also build its own credit card line of business. So with that said, I will continue this crime, the civil justice that displays the crime of Google that provided tax fraud crime. Okay, it's a deadliest crime. So at fault found guilty, Republican government and Democrat of USA and absolute monarchs, Antichrist, Queen Elizabeth II, and Pope Francis created Google credit card, Google debit card, Google gift card tax fraud crime. So I have to put that anyway. So this is how the program logic operates. to nail down on the crime. Okay, so regardless of Google is having its own Google credit card or not, whether Google debit card is there or not, at least Google gift card is there. So it's going to check on every single checkpoint, and then it'll come to the Google gift card logic, and then it'll identify that there's a tax fraud crime provided by Google. So this is how the program logic and algorithm works. Okay, so that's why I have to anyways add that credit and debit regardless of whether Google has it or not, has that product or not. So that's a crime. It's created worldwide, tax fraud crime. And who created that crime? It is Antichrist Pope Francis created Google credit card, Google debit card, Google gift card tax fraud crime is proved by Ayurveda Pro Se. Antichrist Queen Elizabeth II created Google credit card, Google debit card, Google gift card tax fraud crime is proved by Ayurveda Pro Se. So, for Ayurveda Pro Se, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis' Roman Empire King Herod as of February 2021. Any salary, as in tax-free billions of dollars, USA government can provide effective, immediate, using direct deposit to my bank account. To I am that I am, Veda Pro Se, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide, can help me. So, scandal phases of Republica Europe, nations worldwide. Republica Atfall found guilty. Prostitutes of Europe, USA tax fraud, March of 2021 is proved. So Atfall found guilty of fatal negligence, Google credit card, debit card, gift card, tax fraud, crime provided, tax fraud is crime, is proved by Ayurveda Pro Se. And Atfall found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republican government provided tax fraud is crime, is proved by Ayurveda Pro Se. And Atfall found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Democrat government provided tax fraud is crime, is proved by Ayurveda Pro Se. And Atfall found guilty of fatal negligence, Queen Elizabeth II provided tax fraud is crime is proved by Ayurveda Pro Se. Atfall found guilty of fatal negligence, Pope Francis provided tax fraud is crime is proved by Ayurveda Pro Se. Atfall found guilty of fatal negligence, GOP Mitch McConnell provided tax fraud is crime is proved by Ayurveda Pro Se. Atfall found guilty of fatal negligence, President Trump 2016 to 2020 and President Joe Biden 2020 to 2024 provided tax fraud is crime is proved by Ayurveda Pro Se. Atfall found guilty of fatal negligence, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh provided tax fraud is crime is proved by Ayurveda Pro Se. Atfall found guilty fatal negligence, Roman province, Jesuits organization, state of Wisconsin, state of Michigan, state of Illinois, state of New York, state of New England, state of Maryland, state of Louisiana, state of Missouri, state of California, state of Oregon provided tax fraud is crime is proved by Ayurveda Pro Se. Note, Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis and Google credit card, Google gift card and Google debit card tax fraud created robocall poverty mandate enforced poverty disabled to Ayurveda Pro Se on October 2018 is proved. So for prostitute Republican government of USA to steal the rightful Supreme Court judge job of USA on October 2018. That rightful belonged to Ayurveda Pro Se. Civil law must be provided without any delay. So Ayurveda Pro Se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge owned the text for ongoing civil justice sign-off. Atfall found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republican government and USA Democrat government, as in Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis and Google credit card and Google debit card and Google gift card tax fraud created robocall poverty mandate to Ayurveda Pro Se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge and Republican government, GOP leader Mitch McConnell, and President Trump, Supreme Court judge, and Supreme Court judge and Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 enforced poverty mandate to Ayurveda Pro Se abruptly on October 2018, and Republican government of United States of America took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly and enforced finance debt of $10,000+ since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of first quarter, that is January 2021, February 2021, March 2021 to Ayurveda Pro Se, enforced finance disability to Ayurveda Pro Se abruptly. So it is crime for Atfall found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republican government and USA Democrat government and USA Elizabeth II, Pope Francis and Google credit debit gift card, tax fraud, crime created, robocall poverty mandate is proved, and so civil justice is I with Priya Prose, one Citibank CEO, to pay off my debt $10,000 plus dollars and sign off tax-free $5,000 and at fault and found guilty of fatal negligence, US Republican government and US Democrat government, Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis, and Google credit card, Google debit card, Google gift card, tax fraud, crime created, robocall poverty mandate with fatal negligence, so must sign off tax-free $1,500,000 trillion to be direct deposited to my bank account for all types of damages done by selfish cunning Islam, Judaism, absolute monarchs types, wild endangered species and hell creators, and at fault and found guilty Holy Highness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis, and Republican government of USA will provide needful help accordingly to be in the same page. Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.